everyone, welcome back. In this quick Solidity snippet, we're looking at how for and while loops work in smart contracts. Let's dive right into the code. We have a simple contract called loop. Inside it, there's function named loop. First up in the for loop, we're looping from I equals 0 to I is smaller than 10. But there are a couple of key control statements inside. If I equals 3, we use continue to keep that iteration. If I equals 5, we break out of the loop entirely. So loop runs but it skips 3 and it stops completely at 5. Next we have while loop. We initialize j to 0 to keep looping while j is less than 10, simply incrementing j each time. I added some event to test these loops. Okay, I run it. Let's check out this. Run 0, 1, 2 and ignore the 3 because I write continue in this section. And if go to 5, break it, and can't run this code to show 5 for me, okay? And in this section, j starts from 0 to 10. And in this section, j starts from 0 to 9, because in this section, j is smaller than 10. Okay, thanks for watching.